morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a short episode because it's going to be raining here before too long, hopefully, fingers crossed. We're going to get the old flex header down, put it in the shed so it don't rust out anymore. Then after that, we're going to do a little bit of help doing some chores, moving some tractors around, stuff like that. So let's get on out to the shop and get started, boys. Well, looks like we have a slight problem. That tire's flat, boys. Now we gotta go get the dadgum air bubble out. Dadgummit. Ugh. Oh. Yep. Maybe it'll hold air. Maybe we'll luck out. Give us just enough air to get up to the shop. Nope. It's off the bead. Man, I'm good. So I pulled the trailer up just a little bit to see maybe I could get that tire positioned a little bit better to get some air in there now. I doubt it. Well, it's holding air this time, but the air bubble's about out. Hopefully it gets me just enough to get back up to the shop. So the other problem I noticed was, see how this is down in that channel? All this sits down there in the trailer just fine. Grandpa and Larry screwed up here. Look at this. Sitting right on the edge. That's not gonna work. I gotta drive real slow up to the shop. I'll go get some pry bars. Hopefully I can pry it over. So I actually just had a second thought. Instead of trying to pry this, I'm gonna talk to it. That's right, we're gonna talk to it with the old sludge. That didn't work. One more. That's the problem, is it's messed up there, it's correct there. That's the problem. The old guys. Keep going. Okay. Okay. Lock it. Go down. Plan B. Gotta use the old forklift. Now I'm stuck. Am I still in that front bar? This thing's heavier than what it looks, that's for sure. That was a mess, thank God. Got it loaded, big convoy, moving out. While we're driving down here, I wanted to tell you guys I've been working my butt off on all this sweet merchandise you can get. We've got hats, we've got hoodies, we've got t-shirts, we got stuff for the dogs, we got stuff for the neighbors. On the link below, check it out, all the merchandise you can want. 25% off this week and next, just in time for Christmas. Shift to neutral. Shifting in progress. Alright, we're in four-wheel drive now. Gives us just enough to get in there. Okay, ready? No, not so much of a big bite. Let's get some momentum. Can you straighten it back up? There we're going. Thank God, that's in the shed. That was a mess. That's my next project. We're gonna get to work on that old 8770 this winter. Let's go start feeding some cows. I know it's been a minute since I've been out to the farm to do a little bit of filming, but it's been a rough couple weeks. Grandpa got a brand new hip, and on the same day he had surgery, I had surgery on my knee. I fell and I had a huge, massive blood clot in my knee. They cut all of that out. So I'm finally released, good to go back to work, but it's been a rough couple weeks. Thanks for hanging in there, everybody. From here on out, we should have some pretty good episodes. Got a lot of maintenance and stuff to do, a couple big old winter projects coming up, but and whatever that was. That's right, boys. Bro, you got some pretty good looking cows out here.
Not bad.
Are you gonna go buy any more since the market's at an all-time high?
Well, that's kind of the way you do it. You buy high and sell low.
Now you're talking.
That's the way it happens. You just got to have more numbers to make more money.
That's right. That's right. Man, it's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it, right? Whoa, hey, calm down, boys. Dang. Whew, that's going to do it for today's episode. Man, that sucked. Getting that header, and the old guys would have got it on there right the first time, but that's okay. They're old, they're deaf, they can't see. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.